Today we have all gathered here to raise the curtain on an initiative which we have been building up for the past several months. We call it as the Re-Engineering India, from incredible to insurmountable. This Kargil Victory Day, Engineering Watch organized a small defense research forum where the scientific advisor to the Honorable Raksha Mantri of the Prime Minister of India, whose vision is firmly rooted in the Indian values, but who envisions to create a really impeccable and insurmountable Indian state. Edu India is a major campaign which intends to position India as an emerging global destination for higher technical education. Edupreneurs Awards, this was probably for the first time we recognize the contributions of the private educational entrepreneurs who have established institutions and universities across the nook and corner of the country. Edupreneurs Awards 2014 would be given away during the Re-Engineering India Summit. For the first time, Engineering Watch also included the state boards in India's so-called the last narrative of it. School education was only limited to some of the national boards, CBSE, ICSE or IB or whatever limited number of boards. But for the first time in Best Schools of India 2013, we got inputs, we involved the school boards, the state school boards. Engineering Excellence Award, as I said, it was a recognition of India's engineering excellence. A grand jury, it finalized, it commented upon the various engineering marvels which were nominated over there. Airports Authority of India, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, you name the top engineering majors of the country and you have it. This year, these awards would be given away under 3 categories of intellectual property, research and development and innovation. So these are the Engineering Excellence Awards Part 2. The Engineering Watch has instituted Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Awards for Re-Engineering India. These awards would be given away in the categories of governance, society, economy, technology and development.
Whatever was presented here was really mind-boggling. Even within such a short span of time, the magazine and the people behind have really achieved an extraordinary success, and the magnificent work and the efforts that have been put in certainly are bringing results. I am particularly happy that you have now decided to institute this Deen Dayal Upadhyay Award, because when you say re-engineering is not just about technology, it is also about the mindset and the thinking.
With your forum and the DRDO, that this is a opportunity which you have created and everybody has been thinking, but you have managed to focus on and bring everybody together.
Congratulate you for your visionary presentation. Secondly, we are inspired by you and you have given me as the Edupreneur Award. So please you come forward for Northeastern states. Certainly will support in all your endeavors, and you have taken lots of initiatives, and I must suggest that you have to take certain kind of priorities on some of the aspects so that you can achieve excellence. Thank you.
Requirement to divert some of your focus and efforts to the development of Northeast. The students there require our help, require focus. If we can cater for their requirement, I'm sure we would have done a lot of service to our engineering community.
I've only recently been introduced to your engineering course, so only the process of learning as to what you do. But I've only given my viewpoint to you when we last met, I think last week. I think you are doing a fantastic work by addressing the national issues, the national development issues in a multi-dimensional way.
Let me congratulate you for the great initiative you, Raghava and Ravi, and your highly committed team have taken to re-engineer India. It's very important that we re-engineer India and re-engineer at the earliest. Bringing the talent back, of course, is very, very important. And I thought charity begins at home, so I attracted my son, who was in Singapore, to come and work in India.
मैं शुरू से इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। मैंने देखा है इनको इस काम के पीछे जो इनका जो लगन है, डिवोशन है और इनका इसके लिए जो इंटरेस्ट है, इसीलिए मैंने हमेशा इनका कोई भी इवेंट होता है तो मैं यहाँ होता हूँ तो निश्चित आता हूँ या कोशिश करता हूँ किया। और आज की जो दुनिया है वो एडवर्टीजमेंट की है, प्रोफेशनलिज्म की है और मापी की। नॉलेज अगर कहीं देश से बाहर है तो उसको इंपोर्ट करने की आवश्यकता है, और हमारा जो नॉलेज है, हमारा जो स्किल है, वो उसे एक्सपोर्ट भी हम करें, और ये काम ये लोग बखूबी कर रहे हैं। इसलिए मुझे इनके साथ जुड़कर बहुत खुशी होती है।